In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use producer mode for podcast recordings in Riverside. If you're looking to take full control of your podcast production, mastering the producer mode in Riverside is essential. It's a fantastic way to manage recordings and ensure everything goes smoothly without a hitch. So let's dive in. First things first, let's get started by heading over to the Riverside platform. Once you've logged into your account, you'll land on the dashboard where all your projects and recordings are organized. The dashboard is where the magic begins. You'll see an option to invite participants to record with you. This is a crucial function that allows you to bring in guests or hosts to collaborate on your podcast. Next, go ahead and click on that Invite to Record option. What we're doing here is essentially preparing the stage for your recording session. By clicking on Invite to Record, you'll be presented with several options to streamline the collaboration with your team or guests. It's very intuitive. Now from here, spot the Producer button and give it a click. The producer role is a unique feature that lets you have oversight without actually being recorded. This means you can manage the session discreetly, keep an eye on technical aspects, or observe without interfering with the guest's flow. To let others join you seamlessly, the next step is to click on Copy Link. This copied link can then be sent to any participants you wish to include in the session. It's incredibly convenient for those who may be joining in from different locations. Just share the link and they're in. For increased versatility, Riverside also gives you the option to invite people via email. Click on Invite to Email to send invitations directly to the recipient's inboxes. This might be especially useful for team members or guests who prefer receiving invites directly in their email. Once again, ensure you've selected the producer option when doing this. Remember, inviting someone as a producer grants them the ability to monitor and manage the session without being recorded. This is handy for tech staff or anyone you've tasked with overseeing the session's logistics. Finally, when you're all set with your invites, simply hit Send Invite. Everyone invited will receive a message with the link to join the session. This wraps up the process and ensures that your session is ready to kick off. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using producer mode in Riverside for your podcast recordings. By taking advantage of this mode, you can enhance your control over the production environment, ensuring a smoother, more professional outcome. Whether you're recording in studio quality audio or managing participants remotely, producer mode is a tool that elevates your podcasting game. Happy recording.